Welcome to Advanced Cybersecurity course. Before I proceed, I would like to narrate an interesting story. This is the story of a young man named Jack. Jack loves Rose. Rose is a beautiful and young woman. So now Jack wants to propose Rose. So how he can propose Rose? So to do that, he needs to know the address of Rose's home. Afterwards, he needs to know the personal likings and choices of Rose. Finally, analyzing all the information, he needs to propose Rose. So you see, life is full of stories, so as our cybersecurity chain. So if you look closely, the steps that Jack followed, the same story is being followed in the chain of cybersecurity. For example, see, there is an address in the first step. So address can be termed as information gathering. So afterwards, Jack did the personal choice and liking of Rose. So that can be termed as scanning in cybersecurity. And the proposal term can be termed as gaining access in cybersecurity. Afterwards, they are happily married, and this marriage can be done in exploitation. Few years back, they got divorced and separated, and this can be termed as clearing their tracks. So you see, there are most important 5 steps of cybersecurity: gathering information, scanning, exploitation, gaining access, and clearing terms. Clearly, you see, these terms are very much related to our own life. So this is how I relate these stories with my teaching, so that students can apprehend my learning properly. Now, let's know what we are going to do in our courses. This is a 6-month cybersecurity course and is structured to provide comprehensive knowledge and practical skill in key areas of cybersecurity. The course is divided into 6 main modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of the field. For example, in the first phase, we have focused on foundation of cybersecurity. In this foundational stage, we'll cover the basics concept, types of threats, and the confidentiality, integrity, and assessment availability, in short CIA triad. Also, we'll be discussing networking basics and operating systems, IP infrastructure, and cloud computing. All will be dealt with hands-on practice and quiz to reinforce the foundational concept. Later on, we will be dealing with the programming and scripting. In this phase, we will be learning the Python basics for security. We will be learning the Python syntax scripting for security tasks. Afterwards, we will be doing the PowerShell and vulnerability scanning. It will be focused on automating administrative tasks and conducting vulnerability assessment. The advanced scripting and practical lab will develop advanced scripting and skills with hands-on labs and assessment. After finishing this term, we will be doing the network security. Here, it will cover the firewalls, IDS or IPS, VPNs, and secure network protocols. Network security tools and incident response will be also dealt here. Practical training with Wireshark, Nmap, and incident response will be also discussed here. Security monitoring and practical lab will be also discussed in details. After finishing this network security module, we will move to identity and access management, in short IAM. Here you will learn the IAM fundamentals and technologies, explore the access control modules, Active Directory of Azure and Active Directory. And also we will be learning the advanced IAM and identity threat detection modules. Also we will learn the Microsoft Security Stack and discuss integration it with IAM and including constitutional access and cloud app security. After finishing this IAM, we'll be moving to security risk management and compliance. Here you'll learn the focus on threat modeling, risk mitigation, and compliance framework like NIST. We'll be dealing with problem solving and project management here, and hands-on risk management exercise and preparation for cybersecurity job interviews in details. After finishing all these things, in the final stage, we will be doing a lot of practicals, project, and professional development. In this module, we'll engage students in practical exercise and project developments. Here, we'll encourage ongoing education in cybersecurity and includes guest speaker session if it is possible. And also, you'll learn how to project yourself, how to crack the interview skills. This course is designed to equip yourself with technical skills, practical experience, professional insight, and we'll do all our best to excel you in the cybersecurity roles. Remember, Easy Access Lab is one of the top-notch schools in United States of America. Here, you'll have bunch of professional security experts who are experienced more than 10 years in cybersecurity field. So we'll do all out to make you fit for this competent field. So stay tuned. We are excited and we are wishing that you will be joining with us soon. Thanks for your patience.